For the 33rd problem on this second ACT practice test, for a population that grows at a constant rate of R% per year, the formula P of t is equal to P0 times 1 plus R divided by 100, all raised to the t power, models the population t years after an initial population of P0 people is counted. The population of the city of San Jose was 782,000 in the year 1990. Assume the population grows at a constant rate of 5% per year. According to this formula, which of the following is an expression for the population of San Jose in the year 2000? So let's first start by just rewriting this expression. So we have the population after t years is equal to P0 times 1 plus R divided by 100, all raised to the t power. Now this P0, this is our initial population. This R is our constant rate. So here's our initial population, P0. And T is just the number of years after the initial year. And in the second paragraph here, we're given the information for the values of P0, R, and T. So we know that in 1990, the initial population was the 782,000. So that right there is our P0, this 782,000 people. And this was in the year 1990. But we want to know what the expression for the population of this city was in the year 2000. So T is just the number of years after the initial year. And since we need to know about the year 2000 and we started in 1990, we know that there's a 10-year gap between that. So our T value would be 10. It would be 10 years. And then our rate, R, we're given that the population grows 5% per year. So R is just 5. Now our next step is to just plug in P0, T, and R with these specific values into this formula. So we have that the population after 10 years, since T is now 10, is equal to the initial population, which is the 782,000, multiplied by 1 plus R over 100, but R is 5. So we have 5 over 100, and then all of this is just raised to the t power, which is 10. And now we just have to simplify. Since 1 plus 5 over 100, if you put that into the calculator, what you find is 1.05. So we have 782,000 times 1.05, all raised to the 10th power. And if you look up at the answer choices, you can see that choice letter C would be the correct answer.